Hello my dear learner, welcome to another mathematics lesson. The topic which we have been discussing is integration. In our last lesson we looked at definite and indefinite integral. We say that for definite integral we get a particular answer which is a constant. For indefinite integral we just integrate and stop there. So for today we are going to look at examples. In that lesson which we covered, that last lesson, we did not do examples. So today we are going to look at some examples of how to find definite and indefinite integral. Example 1. Find the indefinite integral a x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4 with respect to x, and b 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x plus 7 with respect to x. As you can see, the integral sign does not have limits. When we don't have limits, that is when we are dealing with indefinite integral. Which means we just integrate this expression and stop there. We don't need to do anything. So let us look at the first one here. Let us find the indefinite integral here. We just integrate what is in brackets there with respect to x. So if you integrate x cubed, my dear learner, what do we get? So if you integrate x cubed, you will get x raised to power 4. Remember, for integration, the power increases by 1. Then divide by that power, which is 4. That is what you get when you integrate x cubed, plus, do the same here, 2x squared. If you integrate x squared, you will get x power 3 divided by that power 3. Then plus, if you integrate 4, whenever you integrate a constant, you get that constant times the variable x. So if you integrate 4, you will get 4x. Then for integration at the end, don't forget to add a constant, plus c. So this is the answer to this A and full stop. We stop there. This is now the indefinite integral. This indefinite integral. That is the answer. X power 4 over 4 plus 2x power 3 over 3 plus 4x plus c. Let's look at the second one. B. We find the indefinite integral. Here again, you can see there are no limits. So we just integrate. Let us integrate 2x cubed. If you integrate 2x cubed, you will get 2x raised to power 4 over 4 plus integrate 3x squared, you will get 3x raised to power 3 over 3. Then integrate 5x, you will get 5x. Remember, 5x is the same as 5x power 1. So increase that power by 1. You will get 5x power 2 over 2. Don't forget the over. Sometimes students tend to forget. After increasing the power, they forget to divide by that power. Then finally, plus 7. If you integrate 7, you will get 7x. If you integrate a constant, like I say here, you will get that constant times x, or the variable. In some cases, the variable may be a different letter instead of x. Then plus c. At the end, don't forget to add plus c. So that is the integral which can be simplified. Here we have 2 over 4, which can be simplified to a half. So we will have a half x power 4. And here again, we can cancel this 3 by that 3. You will remain with x power 3 minus 5. Here you cannot simplify. 5x squared over 2 plus 7x plus c. So that is the answer to that part B. That is the indefinite integral. So that is how we find indefinite integral. To get indefinite integral, you need to do only very little. The only thing you do is you integrate. Let's look at example 2. Example 2. This is now definite integral. Evaluate a 3x power 3 minus 4 brackets dx, and b at 3x squared minus 4x plus 5. Respect to x. So this is another example. But if you look at these examples, you can see we have limits. The integral sign has limits. The lower limit here is 1. The upper limit here is 3. The second example, the lower limit is -1. The upper limit is 2. So the way we deal with these now is different. And we discussed that in our previous lesson. So let's look at the first one here. The first example, A. If you remember what we discussed in our last lesson, for definite integral, the first step is to integrate. The first step is integrate. After integrating, you place that integral in a square brackets, then insert the limits, the lower limit and the upper limit. Then after that, you substitute the limits. You substitute the upper limit, you substitute the lower limit. Next, after that, the value you get for the upper limit minus the value you get for the lower limit. Then you get the final answer. I think you remember those are the steps which we are supposed to take in solving or evaluating this expression here. So let's start. Step number 1, integrate. Integrate x cubed, you will get x power 4 over 4. Minus, integrate 4, a constant, you will get 4x. Then, for definite integral, if you remember, I told you for definite integral, there is no need of putting plus c. For definite integral, there is no need of putting plus c. And the reason is, if you put c, at the end, when you subtract, the c will cancel and disappear. So that is why we say there is no need of putting plus c. So we just insert the square brackets like that. Then the limits. The lower limit is written here, 1. The upper limit, 3, is written here. That is step number 1. Next, that one is equal to, you substitute First, let us substitute the upper limit 3. So we will have, if in place of x put 3, you will have 3 raised to power 4 over 4 minus, here we have 4x, so that is 4 times 3. We have substituted the upper limit. That answer you are going to get minus, open another bracket, substitute the lower limit now. In the same expression again, substitute the lower limit. So we will have 1 power 4 over 4 minus 4 times 1. Yes. Then you solve. Simplify and then solve. So let us do that. 3 power 4 is 81. So we'll have 81 over 4 minus 4 times 3 is 12. That is the first bracket. Minus the second bracket. 1 power 4 is just 1. So we'll have 1 over 4 minus 4 times 1 is just 4. Close the brackets. Simplify this using your calculators, my dear learner. 81 over 4 minus 12 is 8 and a quarter. If you subtract that, you will get 8 and 1 over 4. Then minus a quarter minus 4. My dear learner, a quarter minus 4 is what? A quarter minus 4 is negative 3 and 3 over 4. Negative 3. Sorry. Negative 3 whole number and 3 over 4. So we have 8 and a quarter minus 3 and 3 over 4. So minus becomes plus. So you just add 8 and a quarter plus 3 and 3 over 4. If you add that, my dear learner, you will get 12. So the final answer is 12. We have evaluated this integral, definite integral, to get a constant 12. So as you can see, this is different from indefinite integral. There are steps until you arrive at a particular answer, which is a constant. Like in this case, the final answer is 12. So that is how we deal with definite integral. Let's look at the second example, my dear learner. Let's look at example B. The same steps. Step number one, integrate. Integrate 3x squared. What do we get? 3x power 3 over 3. Minus, integrate 4x. You will get 4x raised to power 2 over 2. Plus, integrate 5. If you integrate 5, you will get 5x. And there is no need of putting plus c. For definite integral, whenever you see limits, that's a definite integral, you need not put plus c. The next step after that, place the integral in brackets, in square brackets, and then insert the limits. In this case, the lower limit is negative 1, which is written there, and the upper limit is positive 2, which is written there. That we have done the first step. Next, substitute the upper limit. You normally start with the upper limit because the value of upper limit is the value of the lower limit is subtracted from the value of the upper limit, meaning the value of upper limit minus the value of the lower limit. So you must start with the upper limit, put 2 here, 2 cubed. So we have 3 times 2 cubed over 3. We are placing x, 2 in place of x. Then minus, okay, sorry. Before that, you simplify. Simplify this to make our work easier. Let us simplify because 3 can cancel with 3. So we will have x cubed minus, here again, if you simplify, you will get by 2, 1 by 2, 2. So we'll have 2x cubed, sorry, not cubed, 2x squared, then plus 5x. I think now it is simpler. Then square brackets, negative 1, 2. I think that is better now. That is better. Our work will be simpler. Although even here we will still get the same answer, but you will be doing extra work. Here your work is simplified. Let us now insert. Insert 2 in place of x. You will have 2 cubed and open brackets first. Then put 2 cubed minus 2 times 2 squared plus 5x, that is 5 times 2. Close the bracket. That is for the upper limit. We have substituted the upper limit. Minus, now substitute the lower limit, negative 1. Here, negative 1 cubed minus 2 times negative 1 squared plus 5 times negative 1. Close the bracket. Simplify. 2 cubed is 8 minus 2 times 2 squared is 8 plus 5 times 2 is 10. Close the bracket. Minus, open the other bracket, minus 1 cubed, my dear Lana, is minus 1. Then we have 2 times negative 1 squared. Negative 1 squared is positive 1. Positive 1 times 2 is 2. So we have minus 2. I hope we remember our integers. Minus 5 times negative 1, minus 5. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Then close the bracket. Equals, here, the first bracket we have 8 minus 8 plus 10. 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 plus 10 is 10. Then minus, in the second bracket, we have negative 1 minus 2 minus 5. That is, I hope you remember your integers. For one work, my dear, negative 1 minus 2 minus 5 is negative 8. So that is minus negative 8. So 10 minus 8 is the same as 10 plus 8, which is 18. So the final answer in this case is 18. The final answer is 18. So that is how we deal with definite integral, my dear learner. For definite integral, I repeat, at the end you get a particular answer which is a constant. Unlike the indefinite integral. For indefinite integral, you just integrate and stop there. But for definite integral, you arrive at a particular answer which is a constant, my dear learner. So for today, I am going to stop there. We are not yet through with the topic of integration. In our next lesson, we are going to learn more about integration. Till that time, bye-bye.